Hello. Oh, look, he's got a little white bib. Dinky little ears. Look.
Cute.
Got small ears.
Beautiful cat.
Who's this? Hello. Oh, she's coming out. Hello, darling.
Hello.
He's not shy.
Hello. Hello, sweetie pie. Oh,
Yes. So there's two.
fur is so soft.
Yeah, it's really silky,
it's beautiful. Oh my goodness.
So these are all ready to go?
These are all ready to go. They've been vaccinated, microchipped, fleed, wormed, and neutered.
They're already neutered.
They're all done.
Good.
Yep.
And it's a black and white.
We've got a little
tuxedo
black and white
kitten.
little one over here.
Yep.
Hello. And I'm assuming it's a little boy because he's got a blue collar, and that's normally how
okay.
Jane works. Yeah.
Right. And here's another little one. Black and white again.
Hello, sweetie pie.
Pushkin.
Oh,
No
this one,
collar.
No collar. Oh Lord. Is that nice? Is that nice? This one's obviously on some more
What's going
attention.
on? I need to
Come
know.
on, I'm next. I'm next for a rehoming. I need a home, not them. I've been here longest. I want a home.
I love the little ears. Dinky. So, oh, there's the little shy one over here in the corner. Hello. You gonna come out? It's all right. Don't worry. It's all right. It's okay.
This one likes a cuddle.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, purring like a little engine. True.
Very calm.